Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get travel insurance for your Condor Airlines flight. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Condor Airlines account, which of course I have done right here. How to create an account on Condor. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type condor.com and that is going to take you to the official website for Condor. Once you get in there, check the top right corner of the website. You're going to find the My Condor tab. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this window where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Condor. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's step, which is how to get travel insurance for your Condor Airlines flight. Book travel insurance. So always properly covered with travel protection from Hensmaker. Okay. Your holiday will get off to a relaxed start and book your ideal travel cover directly when you book your next Condor flight. Now, if you have already booked the flight, you can conveniently add insurance cover from here. So it means when you are booking your flight, you can directly just book your ideal travel cover in the process of booking your flight. But let's say you've already booked your flight and you want to just add an insurance cover, you can do that from here. So here you have this Condor Travel Protection Basic and Condor Travel Protection Premium. So you have all of these benefits and you have this benefits as well. So go ahead and click on Book Your Travel Insurance now. So you have a form to fill. Let's go ahead and click on this step. Oh, okay. So you have the first step, the second step, the third step, check step, and confirmation. So when does your trip begin and end? Fill this out. Start of trip, end of trip, trip booking date. Where is traveling, number of adults, where will your journey take you? Fill that out. And how much does your trip cost? Fill that out and select more. It's going to take you to this offer tab where you're going to be displayed all of the offers. So you just need to choose. Then after that, it's going to take you to your data. There's a form that you have to fill out. Just follow through the processes to apply your data. And this is the checkout option for you to check all of your details, confirm that, and make the payment for your travel insurance. And here is where you confirm your payment. So these are the steps that you need to take to get travel insurance for your Condor Airlines flight. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.